exhaust, that big noise coming out of it. Smooth, doesn't rub, it's comfortable. And the V12 front engine Ferraris, in my opinion, drive better than a mid-engine. Less loud, see? This car is equipped with a full FI exhaust, which is basically your headers, tailpipe, X-pipe, catback. So with the FI, you get an option to be able to open your valves and close them. So right now the valves are closed. So I'm gonna open it and see if we can tell the difference. Ready? That's with it open. That's with it closed. See? You don't hear it as much. So this car sounds really aggressive and angry with the valves open. You know, another thing I was thinking is people buy these exotic cars and they just park them in the garage and don't enjoy them because they don't want to put the miles on it. I mean, if you don't want to put the miles on it, don't buy a car. Buy an art, you know, buy, I don't know what else, antique or something that if you're strictly doing it for fact of investment, then buy something else. Look at this view. How could you have a car like this and don't take it out and enjoy it, what it was made to do? You know, so I'm not saying you need to drive your exotic car every